Welcome back. Day 6, 30 days, 30 opals. I've got a nice little pinfire flash triplet here, dopped up, ready to go. We're going to lose some of this side of this opal, so we'll go ahead and get started on that. It's probably going to become an oval, so we're going to just go ahead and get rid of all that extra that we don't want in there. Alright, we got the shape on that oval. Now we're ready to start working the quartz cat. Alright, that's day 6 down. It's a really nice pinfires that are screaming all over the place in this one. Lots of different colors. Really a pretty piece.